Hello, Clearbra, North Dallas. Just gonna do a little walkthrough today. Got some pretty interesting things in here. Mostly challenge of the EV cars. Coolest car in here, I think. But let's take a look. We got some Tesla Ys getting some full fronts and full vehicle wraps. When we have these side by side, we just go from side to side and knock them out panel by panel. Moves pretty efficient. Here's the new Fisker, another one. We've had 4 of these, and every one of them has been this matte blue. Full wrap on this as well. This one's just about complete. We just got the gloss black to do. Over here is a Rivian SUV, the R1S. Our first SUV is what it stands for. This one is getting underway. It's going to be a matte wrap, so it'll be a flat gray, kind of like a primer. It'll look really nice. All these badges are going to come off, and they'll be matte black. They've already been ordered, and they're in the car. Here we're finishing up a full wrap on a Benz CLA 250. All done. We're gonna put all this stuff back together, but what a great install. Just like everything else, looks fantastic. All this stuff was done, all wrapped in. All this was all wrapped in. There's no lines anywhere. It's white. Any color we're going to treat the same, but white, we want to make sure we get everything all wrapped around. These come off real simple. There are no edges, 0. Then over here's a 2014 E-Class. Wrapped this in 2014, the front. This is interesting. You can see how nice it's holding up. Hasn't been wiped down, but we did something on the back. He had an accident, so he redid a rear bumper. But I mean, this bra still looks fantastic. It's a 5-year bra from back in 14, and it's still holding up well. If you take care of it, that's what it'll look like. We're almost 10 years old. And then we just did the back rear bumper. He had it repainted because somebody bumped into him. So that's been all redone, all wrapped in. And then this is getting underway. Genesis with the factory matte paint job. And yeah. We'll get this all done. This is gonna be a full vehicle wrap. Just got prepped, ready to go. This one's leaving today. The black Benz is leaving today. There's 2 cars outside on that screen up there that are getting ready to go today. An old Porsche from 2008, and then a Lexus. So appreciate you guys watching just what we're doing in here today. And I've got a couple other cars coming in. I'll show those a little bit later. I haven't done a walkthrough here in a while, so back to it I go. Thanks for watching. ClearbraNorthDallas.com.